Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet waistcoat. For this, the materials you're going to need are double knit wool in white, light and dark blue, a 4mm hook, scissors and a wool needle. We'll start off by making all the Sunburst granny squares. For these you'll have to make 24 of them. So using dark wool, you'll chain 4 and then you'll slip stitch into the first chain. Then you'll chain 3 and do 11 double crochets into the loop, and then you'll slip stitch into the chain 3. For round 2, you'll chain 3 and then do 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and then you'll do double crochet increases into each stitch, so you should have 24 by the end of this. Then you'll slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 and fasten off. Now using the light blue wool, you'll attach it in the gaps between the increases. And then you'll chain 3 and then do 1 puff stitch into the same stitch and then chain 2. So for a puff stitch, you do yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over again and pull through all of them and then chain 2. And you'll repeat this until the end. Then you'll slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 and then fasten off. Then we'll take the white yarn and attach it in a chain 2 gap. And then for round 4, you're going to chain 2 and then do 2 half double crochets into the same space. Move over to the next chain 2 gap and then do 3 half double crochets. Move over to the next chain 2 gap and you'll do 3 double crochets, chain 3 and then 3 double crochets. And then in the next chain 2 gap you'll do 3 half double crochets, another 3 half double crochets in the following one, and then to make another corner it's 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and you'll repeat this until the end. Then you'll slip stitch into the chain of 2, and then you'll chain 2, and then you'll turn your work. And then you'll do 2 half double crochets in those gaps. And then in the corner you'll do 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. And then you'll do 3 half double crochets, another 3 half double crochets, another 3 half double crochets, and then in the next corner you'll do 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and then you'll repeat this. Then you'll slip stitch into the top of the chain 2, and then you'll fasten off. And you're going to repeat this 23 more times, making 24 total granny squares. And you can do them in a few different colours if you choose to. These are the ones that I did in yellow and blue. Now we're moving on to the assembly. So the front panel layout is going to look something like this, with 4 granny squares with 2 sticking off the bottom. And you'll do 2 of these panels, one facing one side, one facing the other side. And once the panels are done, they should look something like this. Now moving on to the back panel layout. For this, you're going to do 3 rows of 4. and you'll spend your time sewing all these together. I'm just showing here how the front panels will line up with the back panels. So now you've done the back panel and the front panels, you'll now attach the front panels to the back panel. You'll start off with attaching the shoulder part together. And then you'll attach the front sides to the back panel. So these two bottom squares on the front panel, you'll attach to the two bottom squares on the back panel. Once this is done, you'll see where the armhole is. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new tutorials every single week. If you've got any ideas of crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.